Hey, Mike Gilly here, and I have another awesome video for you. This how-to video is how to explain your company's comp plan. Okay, now it will cover every single comp plan out there, because if you understand how to show this method of explaining how you get paid in your company, it's going to save you a tremendous amount of headache, and it's going to also become believable for the people that you're presenting to. Okay, now here's the thing. I'm coming to you from a position of strength with this, because this is the exact way I always present how somebody gets paid in my company by using what I'm about to explain to you. You've probably seen it before, you've heard it before, but I want to walk you through the psychology of it. That way, if you get a full understanding, you're going to see that this might be the way that's made it a lot more, will simplify it for you, that you can help your people engage in your business quicker, because they see it and they get it and they understand both the MLM industry, the network marketing, the power of leverage, and they also have a realistic expectation of the kind of income that can be made. Because you always have to remember, if you talk to somebody that's going to, say to somebody, hey, you can make $50,000 a month in this company, and they've never made $50,000 a year in their life, it went over their head, it becomes unbelievable, you absolutely lost that prospect. But if you talk to somebody who's used to making $50,000 a month, and you say, hey, you could make $500 a week in this thing, or $500 a month, you've lost that person too. So the way I present the compensation, kind of quote unquote, how you get paid in the business, is simply what I'm about to show you, and this really will revolutionize and simplify how people can understand your business, and they will find out where they fit in this comp plan. So let me go ahead and get started with this. Now, what I have always called this, and I've used it, and I've put CDs out on it, and I've taught thousands of people to do it. It's called the Power of One. Okay, Power of One. And it kind of goes like this. Now, if I'm talking, especially if in a group setting, I do this all the time. Typically after I have, especially in hotels or meetings and things like that, or home meetings, I have always used the tools to do the presentation. It's allowed me to not have to be the message, but the messenger. And then what I do is I do this, and I stand up, I say, well, let's keep this simple, okay? Let's show you how you get started and how you can make some money here. And then what I do is I ask this question. I'm always asking questions through the entire process of what I'm going to show you, because they're always going to believe their answers more than your answers, okay? They're going to believe their math more than your math. So I asked this question. I said, how many months are there in a year? Okay? And then everybody says what? They say 12 months. So I draw out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And then I go 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. I say, okay, so there's 12 months in a year. Let's keep this very simple. Let's say the first month you got in, this made enough sense, and you wanted to join our company, and you get in, and you're just going to probably learn a little bit of things, learn the techniques, learn some skills and so on. You're not going to go out and, and I'm giving people a realistic expectation. They don't have to go out and kill it. They can do it part-time and so on. That's what I'm trying to come across with this. I said, so the first month, how many people are there in your business, in your company? You're the only person involved. So I put 1. But I say, hey, next month, you've now talked to enough people to basically what you're going to do is, you're using our system we put in place, you're using the steps and, the training we've given you, and you go out and talk to enough people, and one other person joins you. So you and them total would make a total of 2 people involved in the business, correct? Well, the following month, what if everybody got 1? You would now have 4. And then if everybody got 1, they would have, yes, exactly, 8, and then 16, and then the following month 32. And I always do this. I go, all right, let's stop right there. 6 months into the business, you're not breaking any land speed records here. You got 32 people involved in your company, but this is a pretty good start. So what I always do is, regardless of the comp plan, regardless of the product or anything, I just use simple math to get people to understand it. So I say, okay, let's say 32 people, each went out and had 10 customers. Networking is all about getting customers, right? Each had 10 customers, so that'd be 320 customers. And let's say you only made $1 per customer. Okay, let's go way down. Again, I'm trying to give them a realistic expectation and not bombard them with a get-rich-quick scheme or anything like that. And I say, let's say you had 32 people times 10 customers each, and you're only making $1. You could put $5, whatever your comp plan is. And then I say, okay, so that's $320 a month you'd be making. Now, how many people here are going to go quit their job or buy a Hummer for that? Okay, everybody kind of laughs. And I'm always keeping this light when I'm doing it. And then what happens 320. I said, that's not too bad. And then I might even ask a few people around the room, and I say, hey, that doesn't include bonuses, that doesn't include anything else, but that's just the residual. So right here, that is absolutely believable for the majority of people. They're probably going, well, why are they all excited about that? Because of this. Okay, so now I said, let's continue. How many people is everybody getting each month? And it was 1. So 32, each got 1, it'd be what? 64, and then they each got 1, it'd be 128, and if they each just did what you did and got what? 256, and then 512, 1,024, and 2,048. Now here's where the magic happens. I say, how many? Let's use the exact same math as we did over here. So 2,000 people times each just having a couple of customers, 10 customers on average, and it's still only a whopping $1. How much would that be? And I always round up, or down actually. Believe it or not, that would be $20,000 a month in residual income after your 12th month in the business. Now and then everybody kind of looks stunned because most people never even, a lot of the people you'll talk to never even made that in a year. But let's go through this. I said, let me ask you a question. How many months is it from 1 to 6 total? And everybody goes, 6. And then I say, how many months is 7 through 12 total? And everybody says, 6. And then here's what I say. Which 6 months appear to be more fun? Every single time I say that in a crowd, they always laugh. Every time I get the same reaction, no matter what. And I said, look, I go, think about this. I said, what I was showing you here is a realistic expectation of, what could happen. And I said, look, what if 90% of that didn't happen? That would still come out to what? $2,000 a month in residual income for you and your family. And how many people here? Because now I've made it even more realistic, but I showed them the potential. The guy that wants to make $1 million a year sees there's potential to do that here. The person that can only grab in their brain an extra $500 a month sees that it's here. And in this presentation right here, allows somebody to believe that they can get to become part of the company, part of the business model, get a few products, understand it could be part-time. When you have people that repeatedly come to your presentations and you can continually repeat this presentation, when they're 6 months into the business and they have 33 reps, they're very encouraged, okay? If they're 10 months in the business and they have 600 reps, they're way encouraged due to the fact that these numbers work out. I have actually personally had these numbers work out multiple times due to the fact that I've been doing this for years and years and years, explaining it this simply. People get it, they understand it. Then once they've bought into the potential of making money, they will then stay on the path of being consistent with learning the skills, which will get them to these numbers. And that's what I show once I've done this at the end of my presentation video of the company or something like this. I use this to confirm that the potential's there. The possibility of them making good money is there, and so on. So my favorite way to show it, it's the only way I do it. This is it's worked, it's tried and true, and I think that if you try it yourself and start showing people that, you're going to get a lot more success with your presentations and, more importantly, your closing ratios. So thanks again for watching this video. I'll see you on the next ones.